Madam will address the joint sitting of Parliament.
Honorable members, I am pleased to address the joint sitting of Parliament. I extend my heartiest congratulations to you all to this new house of the Parliament. Honorable members, as you know that due to landslide and heavy flood in River Tista of Gangtok in Sikkim state, more than 43 persons, including 23 army personnel, were died on 3rd October 2024, which is a great loss of our country. This house express deep condolence for those departed souls. Honorable members, I thank to our brilliant rescue team who saved 41 trapped workers detained in Uttarakhand Silk Yatra Barakot tunnel for 17 days from 12th November 2024 to 28th November 2024. Honorable members, now Bharat has become the fifth largest economy in the world through direct benefit transfer, monetary benefit worth more than rupees 27 lakh crore, which have reached to our beneficiaries under more than 300 schemes. Under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, rupees 3.5 lakh crore have been spent to provide food grains to ports, and this scheme will continue for coming 5 years. Under priority list, my government has given financial assistance to more than 2.25 lakh under Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, and about 3 crore women farmers have been provided rupees 45,000 crore. Now Bharat became a major exporter of mobile phones and has increased up to 60%. The national highway network has grown up more than 55%, and Indian Railways is moving towards becoming world's largest electric network, and airports have also increased from 74 to 174 under Udan Yojana. Under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, 11,000 houses have been built in every day, and Pakka houses have been provided to more than 3.5 crores for poor families. My government has successfully launched of the Jal Jeevan Mission. More than 11 crore families have been provided with pipe water supply. Metro network has also increased more than 3 times and underway in 27 cities. My government is building medical colleges in every district, and within 2 years, Bharat has administered more than 220 crores vaccine doses. About 9 crore women have been associated with 80 lakh self-help groups under Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, and saving accounts have been opened for the crores of girls of this country. As you know, schemes like Khelo Bharat and Target Olympic Podium are being implemented to sports and natural sporting talents from across the country. Under Agniveer Yojana, our youths are getting opportunities to serve with armed forces. Bharat successfully organized presidency of G20 and seeks final collective solution to global challenges with the message for peace and mutual cooperation and understanding without war and each and every citizen of Bharat. Inspired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who committed further strengthening of the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Within few years, my government have set up more than 300 universities and 5,000 colleges in the country, and our country is moving towards rightful place in world community. As you know, my government proposed to bring pass and fail system in class 8 and class 9 in this session with 33% reservation of women directly elected to Lok Sabha and state legislatures. We are proud for our scientists of ISRO who have successfully launched Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1 and proposed for space station by 2035, and Bharat will be fully at moon by 2040. My government also proposed for reformation of the present election procedure of the country in Lok Sabha and state assemblies to avoid loss of time and huge money of people. That is one nation, one election. A high power committee have been constituted under the chairmanship of Sri Ramnath Kovind, former ex-president of Bharat. My government has proposed to bring uniform civil code and also replacing old act like the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the Indian Penal Code 1860, and the Indian Evidence Act 1872. As you know, that more than 50 crore poor individuals have received free treatment under Prime Minister Ayushman Bharat Yojana to save their lives. Under Vibrant Villages scheme, a new program has been started to provide better facilities to border villages. My government committed for development of nationalism, patriotism, dedication and spirituality among youth through Meri Mitti Mera Desh. I urge you all to dedicate yourselves in the task of building a new Bharat and to discharge your duties with utmost sincerity over next 5 years. I once again wish the very best to all of you. Jai Hind.